Today I'm going to talk about denied workers' compensation claims. If your employer has denied your work injury, you have the right to appeal that decision. Before you file for an appeal, you want to ensure you have sufficient evidence to dispute the denial. In order to begin the appeal process, you need to file your appeal at your local Workers' Compensation Appeals Board. There are 5 locations in Los Angeles County, with some locations in Orange County, the Inland Empire, and Ventura County. You're going to need different types of evidence to fight the denied injury claim. The first kind of evidence you'll need is your own testimony and your own narrative as to how you sustained a work injury. Secondly, you're going to need statements of coworkers, family, and friends, anybody with personal knowledge of you reporting a work injury, you sustaining a work injury, and also you receiving medical treatment for a work injury. Last and most importantly, you will need medical reports from doctors that you've treated with for this work injury. Once you have gathered all this evidence, you are now ready to file for your appeal. You can file the appeal in the city where your employer is located, and you can also file in the city of your residence. Once you have selected the appeals board where you want to file your appeal, all you need to do is simply show up and ask to speak to an Information and Assistance Officer, also known as an INA officer. These officers work for their local Workers' Compensation Appeals Board, and they are there simply to help injured workers with any and all questions and issues they have regarding their work injury. The INA officer will help you file your appeal, and they will also help you request a hearing before a Workers' Compensation Appeals Board judge. At this hearing, you will have the opportunity to present all your evidence, and ultimately, the judge will decide on whether to grant you your appeal or whether to affirm your employer's denial.